Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we are going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2024 Sailfish 245 dual console. So starting up here in the bow, you can see it's a nice bow seating area. This is a great boat, the dual console, for people that want to fish, but they want to do some cruising as well. You know, it's set up for kind of both. It's great for people with families. The kids, you can feel safe and secure in the Sailfish because of the height of the gunnels. But you can see up here in the bow for a 24-foot boat, nice, very comfortable bow seating. I could have two other people sitting up here with me and enjoy our time out on the water. You know, I'm 6'2". I don't feel like I'm cramped or anything like that. So some of the features up here, you do have, let's start up front. You got the windlass up here, very easy. You have controls back at the helm station. So, you know, if you wanted to go out to a sandbar or something like that, or just kind of go hang out somewhere, easy to drop the anchor, kind of coast back and let that set. We do have storage underneath both of the seats here. Cup holders are nicely sunk into the side, so you don't have to worry about getting them in the way or anything like that. And then you also have a charging station up here as well for some phones, or you know, if you're running an external speaker or anything like that, you can do that as well. So heading back into the helm area, you can see huge windshield. This is great for those nasty weather days, especially, you know, some of our shoulder seasons up here in New Jersey. You know, we'll get some pop-up thunderstorms, stuff like that. Nice and easy to kind of tuck behind the windshield here, get away from that weather. And then this closes off with a wind door as well. So if it gets a little chilly, you know, the kids and everyone want to kind of hang out back here. You don't have to worry about them getting beat up by the wind. They can kind of hide back here in the big cockpit. Over here on the port side, very, very large head compartment. Again, this is a 24.5-foot boat. You do get a freshwater sink. Obviously, you need your cup holders down there as well. And then you have your vacuum flush head. So that's nice, again, for having that family time. You don't have to worry about taking the kids back somewhere, getting off the boat, throwing them in the water, anything like that. They can go right into the head compartment. Over here at the helm, got the nice 12-inch Garmin screen. One of the things I like that they do, they give you the separate Yamaha gauge, so you don't have to worry about having your engine data here. You can have your maps and your depth up control there, but then still keep an eye on what your engine's doing over there. Speaking of the engine, this is equipped with a white Yamaha 300. We'll show you that in a minute when we get back to the back. But then it also gives you your nice, all your buttons and stuff, all your accessories that you need to use are laid out very well. Easy to see when they're lit up. You do have Bennett trim tabs, and then that nice new Yamaha throttle there, which is very easy to shift and control. The steering wheel knob on there is great as well. Makes it easy for your kind of slower speeds and docking and just maneuvering the boat altogether. Up above us, you'll see you get a nice large hardtop. So one of the great things about this, you get some coverage from the sun. So, you know, on those days where it gets really hot, you kind of get in here, get out of the sun, give you some life jacket storage, and then they put your speakers up there, gives you a nice sound system as well. Over here on our port side, we do have a bit of a versatile seat here, so I can pick this up and kind of move this into different areas. We have a insulated cooler under here, so that can be iced down and drained, and then they hide your removable cooler under the other seat. So again, if you're going to a sandbar, you don't want people coming off the boat, you can kind of take this and set it back near the back, have your drinks and cocktails, easy to come back and forth. As we head back into the cockpit again, one of the things I love about what Sailfish does, they hide these seats off into the side. So if I'm fishing, you know, with my son or something like that, one of the things is nice high gunnels. But then the other thing is I can put all these seats away and just have an open area to be able to fish. So me and Mike are standing in here now. We could have 2 or 3 other people in here very easily. So they moved the transom kind of back on this boat to give you that space. So again, this is a 24-foot dual console. This is something you would see a lot of times on a 26 or 27, the size of this, some of our competitors. So this one is very, very well laid out. But then if you want to have family time and just kind of go cruising, maybe hit the sandbars or go to a restaurant, you can pop all these seats out, and then I have seating all the way around the boat. So this seat comes out over here. You can lounge on that seat there. Same thing on the other side over there. You do have tables that go in here too, so you have a table that can go in the back and in the bow. So if you wanted to stop and have some, you know, wine and cheese, or you just wanted to have some sandwiches, you can do that. Easy bilge access under this seat, so this flips up. You're going to have your bilge pump and all your access back there. Very easy to check on things, see what's going on. You do have the ski tow bar that folds away, so if I want this up and out of the way, if I am fishing, I can kind of get that out of the way. On the starboard side over here, nice step to get up and out of the boat, so that way you don't have to worry about any water coming in the boat. And another thing I love that Sailfish does, little attention to details. So they cover the ladder back there, so you don't have a trip hazard. So if you have, you know, parents coming on board that might be a little bit older, can't get around as easy anymore, or little kids coming on and off, you get rid of that trip hazard that a lot of companies would overlook and just leave that uncovered. Again, great color option to match with the hull of this boat, which is the gray. Just looks incredible, just kind of offsets, you know, everything, makes it look amazing with that Yamaha white 300. So as a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Sailfish 245 dual console. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule a private showing, you can reach out to us at MarineMax in Summers Point at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on